Hey, hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel Bolduc Builds. Today I will show you how I isolated and built back the walls there around my propane heater with wood pallets planks. I really like how it looks like, and this is cost me practically nothing since the pallets is free. So I will do probably the whole shop at some point, but I'm going parts by parts. In this video you will see how I build around there. And I really like the heater, to be honest guys, because this is so warm in winter, especially with my favorite wolf jumper.
Hello there! Today it's time to improve my workshop. The walls isn't isolated, so I need to open it and make it winterproof. I also want to change the look of the workshop, so I will cover the walls with pallet wood planks. As you can see, my right arm is broken, and I am a right-handed, so this will be a challenge for me so far, but don't worry, I will be careful. It's quite easy to remove the wall cover with a jigsaw because I just have to pull it after cutting through. I'm not really sure what kind of material is this, but it's so thin and so easy to break. I stopped wondering why it was so cold in the workshop now. But for some parts of the job, 2 arms was practically critical, so I had to improvise and take my time to make sure I'm not hurting myself more than I am. Now it's time to cut and install the Tyvek. This is a synthetic material used to reduce air and water infiltration and to help prevent draft and water damage. Normally I should install the Tyvek outside the presswood, but since I'm opening my walls to add isolation, I don't really want to remove my outdoor covering. So I decided to save time and install this by inside. This area I'm isolating at the moment is where my propane heater will be. I can't wait to install my heater because it's really cold to work in the workshop during cold days of winter. Keep an eye on my channel because there will be a propane heater installation video and also how I digged and pulled the propane line up to my workshop. This building size is 16 by 48 feet. Back in the days, they used this one-floor building to raise pigeons. But since I bought my house, I decided to turn this cabin into a woodworking workshop. My dreams. Like this wall, I will do the same here with wood planks I collected from pallets I unbuilt. And it cost me practically nothing. So every time I see pallet wood on the side of the road, I'm thinking about improving my workshop. I install the planks by colors. I put a darker plank, then a brighter plank. When I collected those pallets, I noticed that there were two different kinds of planks. So I decided to screw them in a offset orders to obtain a nice and rustic looks. It's easy to see that it's hard to handle working with one arm, but I need to keep going if I want job to get done. My dad always told me to not work with my feet, which it means to not work like a dumb, but to be honest, I had not much choice at this point. I'm working at the back of the propane heater. As you can see, I have made a stand for the propane heater, but my friends told me that I can't sit it on something, that I really need to fix it on the ceiling, so I won't be able to use the stand, which I will use for something else, I guess. Now I decide to use the rest of material I used for my wood stove. For the back wall, this is probably unnecessary, but I had it, so I used it. And I think it looks nice, so why not? Finally, my propane heater has been installed by my friend since I just have one arm. I help him fixing it up. Really happy about it. I wish you liked it.
Hey, thank you for watching the video. If you like, feel free to comment and subscribe. My channel would be really amazing. Thank you again. In the future, I'll make other videos how I install my propane heater and the proper way to install the pipe at the back for the propane alimentation. I will also show another video where I show how I dig and pull my line up the propane heater in my workshop. I had to dig at least 18 inches deep through the rocks. It was really hard, but this will make a really nice video. So feel free to watch those videos and comment, like, subscribe, my friend. Thank you.